Welcome to the new weekly report from the Harmonic Step Scanner. Harmonic Step Scanner gives you information whenever there is a pattern format on the chart on any symbol that you have defined, and then you get a notification over Telegram where you are notified when there is some kind of, for example, harmonic pattern format on the chart. Is it bullish or bearish, and also what are its levels. There are levels as entry level, potential reversal zone. You have a stop loss as a red line and two green lines as a target 1 and the target 2. Harmonic Step Scanner gives you more information on the chart, where you can see here you have a technical indicator that shows you whenever there is a buy information, there is a trend that means a strong, and there are several here patterns that are available currently on the chart. The chart is defined by the symbol, which is visible right here in the upper left corner. Then you have a time frame, and then you have also candles. Here, if you would like, you can also change to the daily time frame, and the Harmonic Step Scanner will show you what are patterns available currently on that symbol on that time frame. So for example, on the daily time frame for the GBP against Canadian dollar, you have only a Cypher Harmonic Pattern, just a minute, which is a bullish one, where we have a potential reversal zone here at the D point, and then we have a target 1 and target 2. Now here it is also a risk reward ratio, which tells you what is the reward if you enter here against the risk if you are exited here with the stop loss. You have here a moving window where you can also change the position of it if you would like to check the chart, and there is a possibility to change the time frames available here, which you can also change here a symbol if you would like to change one. Then you have another tool which is very helpful, which is a monitor, a window where you have much more details. Here inside the settings you can select which kind of a pattern status you would like to have, and which time frames, which asset classes, and which patterns. So if you would like to have only the bad pattern, you can simply select this one, and all the bad patterns that are available on these symbols that you have defined, it will be available. And the symbols are defined here in the security. So for now I have selected only EURUSD to be available here on here inside this column, inside this monitor tab. There is also Japanese 225 against Japanese yen. This is a small glitch inside the scanner, but you can disregard this one here. So for now, for the Euro USD, only for the bad pattern, you have a daily time frame visible here. Then you have a successful, so if you click on it, it will be shown here inside this chart, where you can see this pattern was successful. If you have entered here inside the potential reversal zone, which is a gray area here, sometimes you do not have this gray area, you have only entry level. If you have entered here, you will get this trade as a positive one with the target 2 reached. So it is a successful one. But there is also a failed one when there is trade, if you have traded and the price has gone into stop loss, which means the price has reached this red line. So if you have entered here at the potential reversal zone, let's zoom in a little bit. If you have entered here inside the potential reversal zone, which is a D point, then you have targeted to reach target 1 and target 2, but the price has gone against this trade and this pattern, and it has reached a stop loss. So this one was a failed one. So inside this column you have all possible EURUSD bad patterns on the daily time frame available to check, and also to analyze. If you would like to change the patterns, which time frame you would like, you have possibility to do that here inside this settings. Inside the security you can also select which one of the symbols you would like to have. If you would like to have all of them, you can simply deselect and select this one, so everybody is selected here from the list. So for example, here you can, as you can see, this one GBP against Japanese yen is complete, which means you can start trading, which means opening the trade a sell order, where it is expected that the price will go down and reach target 1 and 2. But there is also a stop loss, which is above if the price goes against you. You have here risk reward ratio, which is 3.45, and you have other symbols available here. Then you have here a notification window where you select which one of the patterns and also time frames you would like to get. So for example, if I select a pattern, and on the watch list I have selected many of these symbols I would like to check. So whenever there is So whenever there is, for example, a bad pattern, for example, let's select the 4-hour time frame. Whenever there is a bad pattern format on the 4-hour time frame on all these symbols, I will get notification on the Telegram. So this is the list which is populated whenever there is a pattern format which you have defined on the chart. So if it is a format on the chart, this scanner will send you a notification on the Telegram where you will get a link to the chart directly so you can see all the details. So for example, if there is, let's check this one. If there is a pattern which has been formed, for example like this one, you get notification. When you click on it, you will be immediately redirected here to the chart where you can make the analysis and you can see all the details for this pattern. So it is a bad pattern, which is a bearish one with potential reversal zone, target 1 and 2, stop loss and the risk to reward ratio. So if you are good with this one, you can open the trade at the D point or potential reversal zone and then the trade. Before that, you can also make your own analysis, make a technical analysis, put the support and the resistance levels, make some kind of other technical details. You can also use indicators just to confirm is this potential reversal zone as the entry level is a good one, and is the stop loss or take profit or take profit too are a good one, are in line with your analysis. So if you have several indicators and also several criteria that are successful and also they are confirming this is the good trade, then you can also move on forward if you would like to trade this harmonic pattern. The harmonic scanner, harmonic SAP scanner, shows you what are the patterns available. If you would like to blindly trade them, which is also not very good, if you would like to have more successful trades, it will be very good to make your own analysis and also make your own decisions. You can also move the entry level and the stop loss if you would like to adapt, so you can also have more details and also be more successful, which is based on your analysis to be more profitable. Now this is the Harmonic SAP scanner. It gives you a tool that helps you to define whenever there is a pattern on the chart. After that, you can also make your own analysis just to confirm are these levels okay or not. If they're okay, move on. If not, skip this one and wait until you get new notification from the Harmonic SAP scanner on your Telegram. I hope this has shed some of the light how the Harmonic SAP scanner is working, also how you can use it. But if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try to answer as soon as possible. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.